Hi, my name's Angelina.
And I am Tenna, and we are the founders of Purearth.
We started Purearth as a home business, and it really started from a passion from wanting for us to live healthier lives and for our friends and family to live healthier lives. We're women and mothers in business, and this has inspired us to help create the most truly organic, healthy products out on the market.
We specialize in producing 100% organic, high quality, healthy drinks which can easily be incorporated into daily lifestyle. From our wellness shots to our plant-based broths to our award-winning Water Kefirs. Kefir, which means feel good in Turkish, is a delicious, natural fermented probiotic drink containing billions of live cultures that supports the immune system and a healthy gut.
Our Water Kefirs are the first dairy-free probiotic drink to launch into the UK market, giving us first leader advantage, whilst also being named the best juice cleanse by The Independent.
I am a big fan of this company. They're very ethically minded and the flavours are incredible. You know you are getting the best produce, so I will continue to be a fan of theirs for many years to come.
I think the customer demand has been strong. We've just refreshed the range actually, and looking at our ratings and reviews, they're predominantly 5-star reviews, which is fabulous. Customers like them for the reasons that we really hoped they would, is the digestive health benefits.
I used to drink about 2 to 3 Diet Cokes a day. I didn't even know what a probiotic was, and then discovered the Purearth Kefirs. So I made the switch to drinking these on a daily basis. And I actually can't drink any other drinks now. I find them too sweet or I find them too artificial.
An interesting one for us is that they've come through really strongly as an alcohol alternative. So actually people are picking these up as quite a grown-up drink. Non-sugary is really important. And something that really links with the Abel and Cole values is the fact that it is a glass recyclable bottle. It's not in a plastic container, which is obviously something that we want to avoid as much as possible at the moment.
All our products are plant-based and vegan. The vegan trend quadrupled in the last 5 years, showing a shift in people's perception towards animals, the environment and their own well-being.
One thing that we really liked about Purearth was the focus on gut health, which we had already identified in 2016 as one of the next popular trends. And we liked the fact that the brand appeared to us to have a degree of integrity that means it could be scaled quite easily in due course.
We're regularly featured in high-end wellness and fashion magazines such as Vogue and Tatler and National Press.
The health and wellness market is an exciting category to be in today and is rapidly growing. We'd like to invite you to join our mission to help people live healthier lives
And become the most trusted, truly healthy organic drinks brand in the UK and beyond.